Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you're gonna do, hit that little notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop one of these videos. Anyway guys, today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. These guys have been taking care of me for multiple decades. If you want to check them out, if you want to cop anything from them, their links will be in the description to their Instagram. If you decide to cop anything with them, let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you. They'll take extra good care of you. But before we jump into today's video, do you guys have grails at home? Do you guys got sneakers that you want to keep pristine? Well, in 2024, Capsule is the new wave. As you can see, we have a high quality bag. Also, too guys, the science, the technology behind this is unbelievable. If you want to check out the full works and details of the video, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. Also, if you decide to purchase anything with Capsules, make sure you use my code SOMEMAN at checkout. Save yourself 20%. All right, but before we jump into, the meat and potatoes of the video, got some new jeans from 8 and 9. Huge shout out to 8 and 9. If you guys watch any of my videos and you're wondering where I get these pants from, they're from 8 and 9. The links are in the description. These are so fire. Got the denim with the black straps. Super fire. Or is that navy blue? Nah, that's black. Very, very dope. And guys, I do take pictures of my shoes. If you guys are brand new here and you don't know me so well, my links to my Instagram will be down below as well. Did you guys see that Instagram actually shut down this morning? There was something wrong with it. Who knows? All right, now we got the strapped up slim utility jeans Reds. Now these pants, I see my man Doug. He's also sponsored by 8 and 9. He took a pair of these jeans right here that I got, and the Bread Reimagines, and they look beautiful. So I was like, yo, I have to get these pants, man. These are so fire. See, it's got the 8 and 9 straps here in the front. So dope. So dope, man. Got the pockets here. Very dope. Check that out. Very, very dope. Now guys, like I mentioned before, if you want, you want anything from 8 and 9, if you watch any of my reviews and on foots, if you follow me on IG and you see, the pants I match with my shoes, make sure you check them out, man. Also, make sure you use my code SOMEMAN at checkout. Save yourself a couple dollars. And now we got, this is the last pair, guys. Strapped up slim utility wash gray. These are fire too. Look at this. Whew. By the way, all my clothes are from 8 and 9. I got so much stuff from them, man. Huge shout outs to Figs. We really appreciate you over here on the channel. Same jeans, just different colors. Got the straps as well. Oh, let me pull this off. Straps as well. 8 and 9 MFG. Fire. Now a lot of people have been getting these mixed with Jabos, and honestly, I gotta ask Figs. Did he buy that company from them, or what is the case on that? All right, we got through that. Anyway, guys, this is what we're here for, the Air Jordan 3 Green Glows. Now, I did do a review and on foot of this shoe. If you want to check out that review, the detailed video, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But just want to talk about how good these actually are, man. Here you have it, guys, the Air Jordan 3 Green Glow. Now, like I mentioned in the review, these actually drop on March the 16th. For a retail price of $200, but J&M has pairs now. If you want to, check them out, if you want to cop them, they have them right now. Now, like I was explaining in the detailed review and the on foot, the shoe is so fire. The elephant print looks consistent throughout the entire shoe, throughout both pairs of shoes. I don't really see any major flaws. Like I said, and you can actually customize this sneaker really fast and turn it into a black cement 3 if you want it. But with the reimagining coming out, the Black Cement 3 this year, I believe holidays, somewhere around there, probably around November, you might just want to wait. But if you can't wait, like me, you got to cop them today. I understand. But this shoe is, like I said, pretty clean. consistency of the elephant print, really, really good. The green goes really, really subtle, really not too much. I mentioned before too, you can see behind the tongue you got some green, but that'll cover it up once you put some pants on. Nice weather is on the way, so shorts are on the way as well. Also too, check out 8 and 9, they got a ton of shorts. Overall sizing, basically, if you ever rocked a pair of 3s, basically it's the same thing. Nothing too crazy. I said they were kind of like the Reimagined, the white cements. Not just, like I mentioned before, they're not so sloped over here, but overall, looks like, feels like, seems like the same thing to me. But now, guys, if you want to purchase these, like I said, March 16th, they will be dropping. Overall, really dope. Now the box, also the box that it comes in is, we've seen this box before on actually this Air Jordan 3, the all red All-Star game Jordan 3 that came out in 2020, I believe. But yeah, nothing really too crazy. But overall, fire sneaker. Are you picking these up? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys. Now I did promise you guys a. How do you gotta hold it like this, right? I did promise you guys a Reshoevn8r video, and I actually have a pair of shoes that I really need to clean. Now, if you remember, a few weeks back, I went out to, where did I go? Chili's, I think. And I had a cheeseburger. I think it was like the double rancher or something like that. And out of nowhere, I felt this drop on my freaking toe box, on my foot. And I was like, oh no. Did the girls drop a french fry on me? But it wasn't. It was a big, fat grease stain. Now you see it right there. Right here. And I'm like, wow, how am I gonna get that out? I don't really want to mess up the material on the Lightning 4s because the whole upper is suede, and I already tried to clean it, and you can just feel a difference right here. But now that I am with Team Reshoevn8r, we're gonna check this out now. We're gonna see if we could get that stain out with some Reshoevn8r. Before we do that, let me know in the comment section, do you think the stain's gonna come out? I think it's gonna come out. Now guys, here we have the Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. Is our flagship bundle. Now this is all the tools. It's got the laundry system in it, deodorizer. Enough talking, let's check it out. Wow. Comes with your shoe trees. We need these. I need these. You got your solution here. This is the cleaning solution. Have a soft bristle brush. We have a medium bristle brush, and then we got the stiff bristle brush. Also, we got this beautiful microfiber towel. And this is the laundry bag that you put your shoes in after you're done cleaning. Put them in the laundry. Just a thank you card. That's pretty nice. Remember, guys, if you need anything from Reshoevn8r, the links are in the description. Make sure you check them out. Like I said, you can save some money on, using my links down below. So make sure you check them out. Don't forget, guys, we also have 12 Reshoevn8r wet wipes. Now, these are traveling wipes. And sneakerheads, it's always good to keep these on us. All right, guys, you're going to want to get yourself a small container where you could pour your water. And we got the cleaning solution. I'm also going to go with the soft bristle brush. Like I mentioned before, the uppers on the Lightnings are suede, so didn't want to mess them up. So what you want to do is dip the brush in some water. Let's get our microfiber towel over here. Got our solution. We got our patient. Let's see if I gotta open this up. Yep, you gotta peel the seal. Okay, put a little bit on there. Me, I like to dump it back in the water, let the excess drip off. Let's get to work.
Wow. Now obviously we're gonna have to wait till it dries to really check the results, but Looks like it's gone.
I really don't even like cleaning suede with water, but there are professionals out there know exactly how to clean suede. They got this eraser too. I didn't see that they had that in the box, but I might have it somewhere else. But yeah, let's give it some time, let it dry. This is what it looks like right now, obviously because it's all wet, but let's let it dry and I'll catch up with you guys in a second.
All right, toe box looking good.
All right, guys, let me know down in the comment section, what do you think of today's video? I truly appreciate you guys for stopping in, checking us out. If you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time, it is your man, the son of Saman, and we're out, guys. Peace.